Asking for the time. There are several methods to ask about time in English. We've compiled the most crucial questions for you right here. They will assist you with planning activities, setting dates, determining when your next flight will depart, and much more. What time is it? What time is it? Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Do you have the time? Do you have the time? Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? When do you want to meet? When do you want to meet? What time does the flight leave? What time does the flight leave? How long is this flight going to take? How long is this flight going to take? How long will this class take? How long will this class take? I have been waiting for half an hour. I have been waiting for half an hour. When should we be ready to go? When should we be ready to go? Telling the time. Once you can ask and comprehend time-related inquiries, you'll need to be able to tell the time as well. See the sentences and examples below to learn how to accomplish this. It's exactly 12 o'clock. It's exactly 12 o'clock. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's 9:30 a.m. It's 9:30 a.m. It's 9:30. It's 9:30. It's around 3:45 p.m. It's around 3:45 p.m. It's 3:15. It's 3:15. It's 5:45 a.m. It's 5:45 a.m. It's 12:45 p.m. It's 12:45 p.m. The drive will take about 2 hours. The drive will take about 2 hours. Dinner is at 7 o'clock. Dinner is at 7 o'clock. Time is flying by. Time is flying by.